The 2023 report on best practices on job creation and innovation for the bioscience industry here in the United States clearly show that the partnerships between public officials, our industry, and academic communities are more effective than they have been in the past, particularly as it relates to public policy legislation to support some of our early stage companies, companies that manufacture, and certainly companies that want to be able to be with us as part of the ecosystem for the biosciences industry here in the United States. Innovation continues to be a high priority, not only for our companies, but for public policymakers in helping us move interesting research into testing and potentially into the marketplace. So there are a variety of individual pieces of legislation that have come into place in the last 2 years, in areas related to capital formation and some of the important tech transfer activities, moving interesting research out of university labs, creating companies, and then the important value of taking those companies into venture capital and eventually into testing with the FDA. The pandemic has clearly shown to the public the value of our industry in terms of interesting research turned commercialization, especially during COVID. And that has generated an increasing amount of interest by public officials to want to support those efforts and provide us as industry supportive legislation to help create companies, to help grow companies, and attract companies into their states to continue that cutting edge research.